To use Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will have to turn it on by using the settings, connected devices. Now go for Quick Share and here select who can share with you. So for example, you can select everyone and click done, and make sure that you are gonna enable that option to show available devices on share panel. Now you have to just do the same on your second device. So in my case, I've got Vivo phone, but I have to also go for the more connections, select Quick Share, and I have to select to receive files. Now it's ready to receive. So in my phone, I have to go for the gallery and I have to pick file, click on the share, and now I have to select Quick Share feature. Now, as you can see, I have to put the phones close to each other. It's ready to receive, but I have to also select to be visible for anyone nearby. And now, as you can see, I can see my phone over here, so I have to select. And now I've got this notification, so I have to click accept. And now, as you can see, I just received this file by using Quick Share on my Vivo X200 Pro from my S26 Ultra.